My mom's dead, so I can say this. She won't kill me. Bye. Shalom, everybody. It's me, Bree. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, if I'm looking up like a meerkat, it's because I might have customers. Anyway, hi, welcome to today's video. As you read in the title, we are gonna bring on those glamour shots. We're bringing it to the store, so today we gotta do a little bit of advertising work, which includes like doing some like pictures for the coupons, and like the words are so hard right now. Insert whatever I'm trying to say right here. And I decided I would do a tutorial as well because it's gonna be so fun to make myself look vintage. So I've also decided that like now there's like a whole overcast, like just a giant bubble of like what vintage is. And I'm specifically talking from like late 70s to mid 2000s is like one thing, kind of. Do you understand what I'm saying? No, you probably don't. But I'm saying that like in the time between like the late 70s, the 80s, 90s, and 2000s kind of blur together. I feel like there was just a lot of culture happening, or maybe that we were just like filming more, or like had more access at home. So like the big hair, the like jean, the windbreaker, it all kind of runs together. Do I make sense? I'm just trying to like make sense of this. So I'm not gonna be doing like a 90s look. I'm gonna be doing like a vintage late 1900s look. So it's not like vintage 50s, it's like 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. So we're just gonna smush all of those together and have a little party. And to start, we obviously have to do the hair. Duh. So I'm gonna be going ahead and doing that. Filming while running a store is no joke. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into hair. I'm gonna speed through this because there are customers, wanna be able to help them, and it's just hair. But basically, I'm gonna section off every part of my hair. I'm gonna go in layers instead of like sections, and I'm gonna curl them really, really tight on a barrel and then hairspray it, because then I'm gonna take this comb right here and tease it all up. Let's get to it. Oh no. Oh, I'm having flashbacks to my childhood and I want to cry. Okay, I can't remember if this one you curl down. I think you do. Oh wait, I need to curl this one up. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is my life as a child. Oh no. Oh my god. Perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, who else is having flashbacks to like elementary school when your mom did this to you and then you went to the bathroom? My mom's dead, so I can say this, she won't kill me. But I dumped water on my head, like I got water out of the sink and I flattened the fuck out of my bangs. Oh, it's beautiful. I need to tease it a little bit. It's painful. It's painful. Also, I'm like practically bald, so I cannot. It looks so good, guys. Okay, now we need to tease the rest. Need to spray more of this, probably. Like the amount that I would like to dye right now is infinite. Infinite dead. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, you gotta get it out and then you gotta come back in and really, oh yeah. That's the ticket. I looked at myself. Oh my god. You can tell that guy was from this era because he didn't bat one eyeball. He was just like, do you have anything for my wife? By the way, you guys, I look great. 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Would recommend. My hair doesn't stay curly very well, but the bang, chef's kiss. I'm gonna have to move it out of the way real fast to put on foundation. So let's go through that. I'm gonna use my LA Girl foundation. And through quarantine, I've discovered that I've gone from natural to ivory. Hey there, how are you? I look like an SNL character. I look like Josie Grossi. I look like my mom. I made a mistake. I'm not back to ivory. You know, the white kind of works because I feel like everyone kind of looked pale. Also, should I use my fingers? Authentic. Be your authentic self. Like a little patch right there. I just checked that person out looking like that. Embarrassed. I'm embarrassed by it. Okay. Beautiful. Let me grab a makeup wipe to keep my hands clean. I'm saying, you guys, I'm saying 10 out of 10 would do. My husband is going to cackle when I call him. Cackle. Okay, so they didn't use bronzer, like at all. They did use blush, and I'm gonna go for this color. Let's do this. So we're gonna grab some of this. Okay, I have to bleep out this entire section, but you know, we do it for love. Nothing's more beautiful than this. Nothing. Nothing in the world. Okay, now we gotta take black eyeliner. I have a pencil sharpener in here. Take black eyeliner and absolutely line the hell out of your whole eye. All of it. The way I'm doing my makeup is making me crazy. Yeah. my god, I should have done blue. Oh well, too late. Blue doesn't match my shirt. Oh, I cannot tightline my top lash. Chef's kiss. Should I put more blush? Like, I'm just looking at myself. I think I need it more up here, you know? Because they like did that thing, you know? Trying to contour something. Because they knew it looked messed up, but they didn't know how to fix it. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face just to set everything. A step I'm sure they would not do. My battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna change that real quick while we wait for this to dry. Hi, it's me, Josie Grossi. How are you? I can't. I physically can't. Like, I physically cannot handle this anymore. Okay. Looks amazing. Yes. Lock it tight. I think this hairspray is a little weighing, but she's not moving. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Eyebrows. Done. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do what I hate. Brown eyeliner. Very thin line. That looks purple. Oh my god, did I just put a purple eyebrow on? My Bang & Bangs will block it out, so who cares? Maybe I'll put like a little bit of black on top of that because it looks fun. Yes. There we go. I'm telling you guys, this is minimal effort put in. Okay, I'm gonna grab this beautiful pink lipstick. Lip liner. Oh, I forgot to finish my eyes. I'm grounded, you guys. Sorry. We're gonna be dipping into the bubble pop. And we're gonna be going into daiquiri ice right here with our finger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. And that's up to the eyebrow. Literally up to the eyebrow, you guys. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh no. I think we'll go back in with that black eyeliner and do like a bit on the top, you know? I got black everywhere. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Put a little bit on top. Alright, so I put on the pink. I'm in love. Now you have to like underline the top lip because this is the 90s. We don't have top lips. And I'm white. What's the top lip? To like check your listen and then do it. Okay, so I wanted to put on that pink to like make it really you know. Oh, I have the milk. Maybe that would work for my inner corner. Yes, that's what I wanted. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm on stage, people. Yes. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, I think I blended too much though. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna find this lip gloss. Yes, that's what I wanted. Wow, she just ate through that layer of lip liner. I don't know what happened with Ryland, but I'm not a fan. I'm gonna throw this gloss on top too. Beautiful, beautiful, frosty. And that, my friends, is makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a couple pictures. I think I'll probably use like this gold background for the shot and go from there. So I'm gonna set up a tripod. Actually, probably not. I'm just gonna set up this and then we're gonna take a few glamour shots by Bree. All right, you guys, I've taken the photo shoot. The pictures looked kind of like this. All right, so we're gonna have glamour shots open at Bree Maquillage very soon. I'm so excited. There will be packages. It'll all be a good old time. I'm gonna call my husband now.
Are you grandma?
Do you like it? Okay, I'll be out in a sec. Say bye. All right, anyway, that was super fun. I am super loving this look, but I must brush my hair, especially these bangs out. Gotta say, it didn't hold very well. I should go get some Aquanet. Ooh, 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 ooh. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. Okay, bye. Have a great day.